The last type of inference or analysis that you can do in ANOVA is called linear regression. This is really powerful analysis. You're going to use linear regression if you're trying to come up with a specific model. So you want to look at how certain variables are affecting another variable. It's going to work for numeric variables only. So in the data set I gave you, we have the number of people in a family, the amount of time spent on homework, and the number of activities that people participate in. I believe that the number of people in your family and the amount of time that you spend on homework affects or has a relationship with the number of activities that you participate in. Maybe if you have a bigger family, you have less time for activities, or maybe the more time you spent on homework, the less time you have for activities. So I'm going to find the specific model that connects these three variables. So you're going to take out model. A simple regression has one input, one output. Multiple regression, which is what I want, has one output but multiple inputs. In this case, my output is activities. So I want to know, how do the number of people in your family and the homework affect activities? So right here it says drop attributes to add predictors. So I'm adding people as one of my input variables, and then I'm also adding homework as one of my input variables. So this is your model. This is the constant variable. This is the coefficient on the number of people in your family. This is the coefficient on the amount of time that you spend on homework. What's really important here is the p-values. So they're similar to before. If your p-value is bigger than 0.05, then those are not significant predictors. They don't have a significant relationship to the number of activities that you're involved in, or that they don't have a significant prediction on the number of activities. So in this case, you notice that the number of people in your family and the amount of time you spend on homework don't predict very well the number of activities that you're involved in. At the bottom here, you see the equation. So this is another analysis that you might use. If you're more interested, you can ask your mentor about it, or you can come talk to me, Miss Button.